Right guys, I'm going to show you the easiest way to take a steering wheel off an L322. Okay, if you follow these very simple steps, you won't have any issues whatsoever. Right guys, just get yourself a little Allen key. I think this is a 3mm one, as you can see. You put it in that tiny little hole on the back, as straight as you can. And then you just, hopefully, just push in. And then if you pull on that, it should just pop out. I think I've got it sort of. I think that one's popped a bit. There. Same on the other side. See the bloody thing, there we go. There we go. Can you see that? It's just popped off pretty easily. You got your cables here, just unhook them by pushing that one down, that on that tab. And see, that one comes out pretty easy. This one too. Do this with the steering wheel tight, because all the ribbons are behind this, and if you pull on the steering wheel hard, all of it all come out and you'll have an absolute nightmare. See that one? That's one's popped out easily enough, and I think with a little get it again. All three wires are out. Oh yeah, that's caught on there. Okay, and you see this one here. We'll remove this one too. You see, it should just pull out that with any luck. Make sure you have the battery off on this as well. Okay, there's your airbag. We're gonna replace this one now. Okay, we'll put that on there just like that. Right. Short extension on the ratchet, 16mm bolt. So while you undo this, one hand on the steering wheel like that, or just use the force of your legs up on it, and it shouldn't be that tight. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's it, it's got it. So we're going to undo this, but don't take it right out. Okay, so this is going to hold the steering wheel, so because if you take that bolt out and yank on it, all the ribbons and everything, and then you're just going to be in a world of pain. Right, so just very gently wiggle it like that, backwards and forwards. Can you see it? It's coming there, and now it's flush up against this. Okay, same again, nice and easy. That's going to come off fairly easy, this, I think. And again, right, it's ready to come off. And then we undo that, just like that. And then this steering wheel should just come off nicely, just like that. So that's nice and straight. There we go, there's the knackered steering wheel off. Here's a good steering wheel. And we're going to bang that. Make sure the splines are absolutely bang on the bob, which is there. They're on the spline, you see. There we go. You don't force it, and then just push on it very, very slightly. And what we're going to use is we're going to use the bolt to draw it in flush. Okay. Bang that back on just like that. Right, nice and easy. You see how it's just drawing the steering wheel on nice and easily onto those splines. all the way in. Just take your time. Again, my favourite saying, you don't over tighten things. There's no need to put a crowbar on it. And there we go. Okay, so I'm just going to nip this, put your legs under there and hold in the force of it, and then you just want to, just like that, so it's nipped. It ain't going to come off, it's a bolt. Right, now for the airbag. Get the airbag. Making sure nothing's going to... Can you see this cable here? This cable needs to be behind here when you put it all back together, because if it goes there, you won't be able to get it on it and it'll nip it. Okay, so we're going to put this one in first, the purple one. So she's in nice and firm. And then this one. You can hear it snap in. And then, before we push it on hard, we're just going to put the black cable in first. Okay, listen to it snap in. Yeah. And then the white cable on the end until it clicks in. So 3 cables on. Then line it up. Okay, and then just push on. Just like that until you hear a snap. Back on. Steering wheel replaced within 10 minutes. So on that note, seats above it.